Welcome back, everyone. Brand new Mediterranean spot, Oria, recently opened off of Barton Springs Road, and now they're launching their happy hour. Joining us now is head chef Juan Diego Solombrino to tell us more about it. Chef, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Thank you for having us.
Well, congratulations on this new expedition that you guys are under. Tell us about Oria. Tell us about it as a restaurant.
Yeah, Oria is a Mediterranean restaurant. We're fire-forward cooking.
Oh.
Yeah, we have a wood-fire pita oven as well, so we make fresh pita.
Yum.
Yeah, and yeah, we're trying to keep it nice and healthy. And we have a beautiful patio and with a nice fountain, and there's a lot of space. Basically, Oria is for every occasion. The idea was to be comfortable enough to be able to have a drink, a quick bite, or have a formal dinner, or special occasions, really.
Thank you for letting me know about that, because when I hear some of the things that you're talking about, I think, ooh, higher end. But also being on Barton Springs Road, you get a lot of people who are out there after festivals and things like that, and who might just want to walk in and grab a bite to eat.
Yeah, we're for everybody, all occasions, and yeah, it's a great spot. It's very, very like Zilker oriented, very green, very, it's like a garden-like, you know?
Ooh.
So yeah, it's very relaxing. The idea is to enjoy the experience, and yeah, you can go at any time. We just open happy hour.
Yeah.
So we're doing a happy hour from 4 to 6, Monday to Thursday.
Monday to Thursday.
Yes.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. So pretty happy, excited about it. And then we're looking into opening brunch after Mother's Day. Yeah.
Okay, so you guys just opened in February. You're
Yes.
already on the happy hour. Then comes Mother's Day brunch.
Oh,
Here we go. All right, I'm
Yeah.
looking forward to this. Let's talk about what we can see here on the table, because I asked you off camera, whenever I see a full fish, I usually think branzino, and it's such a good fish.
Oh yeah. So whole branzino, we do it on the charcoal. It comes with a butter with capers and herbs, and then lime as well. Sorry, lemon. And then we have, for happy hour, we have oysters. We have them fresh. Every day we change whatever's on the menu.
It looks too little to me to be a Gulf oyster.
Oh,
Where
yeah.
do you get them from?
No, well, we get it from different places. We try to be small, so we're normally gonna have 2 varieties. Then we do a blood orange mignonette with a basil oil. Yes.
Okay, the older I get, the more I'm trying to like oysters, and so like the champagne vinaigrette is really what excites me.
Oh yeah, it really changes and enhances the flavor of the oyster. Totally.
Fantastic. This is some of your homemade pita, I'm guessing.
So yeah, we have 2 pita breads that we do in-house. We're doing the pita in the wood fire oven. One comes to the table, it's really puffy, very airy, very fluffy. But then we have this one that is more for the dips. So it's kind of like a little bit more on the toastier side, so that you can use it with the spreads. For example, that we have the artichoke and goat cheese spread.
This is an artichoke and goat cheese spread?
Yes, correct.
It looks absolutely insane. It looks amazing. Yeah. Not only that, you do a hummus.
Yeah, we do
being
have
a Mediterranean
hummus. Yes, of course. We have a hummus. We have a baganoush as well.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a few different spreads. We have the feta spread with carrots and pistachios and honey.
Yum.
So it's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm hearing sweet, and then we've got like a savory option or 2 as well. And chef, talk to me a little bit about your background, because this is not the first time you've been on Studio 512, but I think this is the first time we're discussing you doing Mediterranean.
Yes. So we did the first Space Cowboy. That's what we came last year. But that was more international. Now the idea with Oria was more Mediterranean, more friendly for everybody, and it's definitely amazing what wood and charcoal cooking does for food. You know, very healthy and amazing flavors.
Amazing flavors. Okay, talk to me about what's going to be on this happy hour that you're launching.
So a happy hour, we have we did a burger type with the pita bread. So it's really fresh, really light. As well, we have the oysters. We have a baked brie as well in the oven.
Oh, that's me.
Yeah, we have a flatbread with salmon that we're doing, which is really interesting, very healthy, very on the lighter side, of course, for happy hour.
But I'm hearing burger, I'm hearing salmon. Those are really good like proteins to get from a happy hour menu pretty affordably.
Yeah, the idea is to be as much as for everybody, but trying to give good quality product. And that's what Oria is about. So trying to just give that experience all over, even for happy hour.
Wonderful. Okay, so when you're starting to think about that brunch menu that's coming in the next month or 2, anything that's coming to mind for you?
Well, we're gonna be doing some interesting Eastern Mediterranean influence brunch dishes.
Which, like, I don't even know what that would be. Shakshuka, maybe?
Yeah, shakshuka is one of them
Okay.
as well. Of course, we're gonna have like a twist on like French toast and pancakes, and we're gonna do a few, egg dishes as well. So yeah, just starting to test the menu next week.
Oh, well, if you need any taste testers,
Yeah.
you just
Please do.
give
It
me
would be
a
amazing.
call. All right, what days and what times is Oria open currently?
So we open 7 days a week. Every day we open at 4 o'clock and we close at 11 o'clock. Happy hours is Monday to Thursday, 4 to 6. And then brunch that we would open for Mother's Day will be from 11 to 3 p.m.
Okay, so that's something to think about, especially if you've got a mom who likes to be on the cutting edge of things. Like, this will be the first that someone
Yeah.
gets to experience it, right? So
Yes.
are you taking reservations for that?
Yes, we take reservations, and we do have parking space as well.
Love
But people
to
don't
hear
know.
that.
We have it at the back of the restaurant, so it's good for people to know, and it's free. So yeah, it's convenient.
When we talk about all the wonderful things about this restaurant, that's one of the things that stands out to me
Yeah,
is like,
I guess, yeah, we
available
need it.
parking for free.
Yeah,
Love
we need
to
it.
hear that. Okay, well, thank you so much, Chef. And if
Thank you for
anybody
having
is
me.
stopping by Oria anytime soon, just a menu item that you absolutely love that you would say, okay, start here.
Well, the brancino is something like I really like, but I think you have a lot of different dips and spreads that you can start with. But as well, we have the chicken kebab and lamb kebab are very good. And yeah, the desserts, we have a Basque cheesecake. It's gluten-free.
Yum.
And yeah, we have a lot of gluten-free options as well.
Okay, so I'm hearing you can't go wrong.
Yeah, we're trying to cover all the spaces.
And you're doing a good job, Chef. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank
We
you very much.
appreciate it. For more information on Happy Hour, brand new and beyond, visit oriarestaurants.com.